Hey, what's going on, hustlers? La Machine here. And I want to talk to you quick about how you can be making money right now selling online, specifically on Amazon, but also other websites like Walmart, like eBay. This is something that I've been doing for years. I've done over $2 million in sales. And if you look behind me, you can see the day's orders that are going to go out today. It is literally crazy. But the point is this, guys. Get excited if this is something that you're serious about, because I have done these numbers. I continue to do these numbers over $30,000 a month, and I do it while having a full-time job. And I'm here to help you. How do you know? Because we've got over 500 videos right here on this channel that tell you step by step how to do it. We also offer a free webinar that'll teach you how to get started in snack foods, which is where I like to make my money, although I do dabble in other areas. And also we've got literally a free course to teach you how to use the software Tactical Arbitrage. That's what I use in order to find products. Tap into all of those resources. Make sure you take advantage. But real quick, I want to show you. It is so easy to be able to do arbitrage. You know, you literally just watch this. You literally just go into the store, you buy the products, you walk out, and then you make the sales, you package it up, and you're done. And I'm going to show you quick how to do it, even though we've got over 500 videos that show you how. I'm going to show you again, okay? Because I really want to help you. And guess what, guys? It gets even better. Arbitrage is where you go into the store and you buy things. But guess what? After that, you can figure out exactly what you really like to sell. And then you can get your wholesale accounts. And then you start literally building out your own warehouse. And that's where you can really scale up. Guys, it is so simple to do this business. Let me show you the kind of numbers that you can be doing. Hey, what's up, working class hustlers? I wanted to take a brief break from this video. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am, but did you know that 58% of the people that watch this channel, watch these videos, are not subscribed to the channel? So there's a good chance that you're not subscribed. So if you would take a moment to subscribe to the channel, it would mean so much. It would be awesome. And tell you what, you will be showing myself and my producer Jim that you appreciate the over 500 videos that we've put together, for your benefit. So hit that subscribe button and we would really appreciate it. We're actually trying to get this channel up to 10,000 subscribers, and you're going to help us do it. So thank you in advance. Number two, if you're somebody that's really trying to take your Amazon business to the next level, or you just want to get into selling on Amazon, you guys know I use the software Tactical Arbitrage. I've been using it and teaching it right here on this channel for years. And you might know that I've been wanting to put together a free video course, a real course that's worth money, but I want to give it to you for free. This is my gift to you. If you're serious and you really want a leg up and a way to understand the software that's so powerful, it has helped me double my revenue up to 30,000 plus a month. If this is something that would be interested in you, the wait is over. The link is in the description. Hustlers, don't waste time. I can't wait to see you there. Now back to the video. All right, hustlers. So now we're going to get into the type of numbers that you could be making. Remember, guys, I do this while working a full-time job as a truck driver. I always have, and you can do it too. So the first thing we're going to look at is literally, so right here is, we're inside of my Amazon Seller Central account. That's what you get when you have an account to be able to sell on Amazon. But what we're going to look at right away, we're going to start looking at forms 1099s. When you're running a real business, doing real numbers, this is what you get in order to be able to file taxes, right? This is a legal business. That means you got to file taxes. So now we're going to get into the receipts, because that's where it's all about. Now you'll notice for the year 2024. So first of all, we're in the year 20 2025 right now. We're March 24th, 2025. And let me highlight my mouse here so we can follow along. And what you'll notice is I did 187,000 and some, some other hundreds of dollars gross. I don't get to keep that. That's okay though. And we'll touch on that maybe a little bit later, but that's 2024. Now we're going to go back to 2023, right? And what you're going to notice, look at in 2023, we did 212,000, almost 213,000. So what you're seeing is we actually went down. That is why I love to show my receipts, guys. When you got somebody that's not showing you the receipts, you know they lying, and the only time they want to show stuff is when it appears to constantly be going up and up. That's not how life goes. Right away, I'm going to call cap. Then we're going to go back yet another year to 2022, and we stayed about the same. Look at that, almost identical, 186,777 and 187,389. That's great, but watch what happens when we look at what's going on today. Okay, and again, today is March the 24th. The year is 2025, and look at what happens. So if we just look at today so far, we've had 24 orders, and that's $644.54, and that's at 3:50 p.m. Eastern time. Now watch what happens if we look at the last 30 days. Take today, go back 30 days. We're at $31,000.683. But mind you, that's your running 30. If you really want to look, let's say we came down to reports, we came to business reports, and we're going to look at month to date. We're going to apply that, and we're going to kind of get rid of, so you can see last month we did 26,005, but look at last year, we only did 15,730. This same month last year, we sold 584 units. Last month, same time, over 1,000. Now look at, this was last month, 1,053 units sold. Now look at this month so far. Remember, today is only the 24th, and we're already just about where we were last month. You can see the trajectory, guys. Things are going, up big time. So that when I tell you need to subscribe, this is why you need to subscribe, guys. This is the reason why, okay? Because things are happening, and I want to share that with you. I want you along for the ride, and I keep bringing what's going on. What am I doing different? It is so important that you figure that out. Let's go back and look at one more thing before we get into some other things that we need to cover. If you want to go year to date, so we've already done 74,568 already, guys. This is so important. But here's what you got to understand. I'm glad you made it this far, and if you did, please do us a favor. Subscribe, like, share. You got people that are close to you that can really use this information. Even think about this, guys. Even if you don't want to do it, you know someone that could benefit for some free information. What do I mean when I say free information? What I'm saying is, on this channel, we have over 500 videos that show step by step how to do it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. For example, when we talk about the simple steps, guys, all you got to do is, we're talking retail arbitrage. All you got to do is go into the store and buy the product. We got steps that show you how to do that. What do I mean by that? Where would you go? For example, we got a video because we source at grocery outlet. Look at, we got video at Ollie's, right?
follow along, guys. You got to get out there and look at the videos that are showing step by step. Look at Walmart. You know, where are we going to get this stuff? We got the videos. Okay, Target. This is what I'm talking about. Guys, you got to take the steps. You got to really want to get to the bag. I can't make it. I don't know what else I can do. We gotta, if this isn't enough for you, listen, if you made it this far, if this isn't enough, then text the words working class hustler to the number on your screen. And as soon as I can get back to you, I promise, as soon as I get back with you, we can talk about anything you need. It doesn't cost you anything. This is what I'm doing for you. Guys, if that's not enough, sign up. Sign up right now. Look in the description and sign up for the Snack Food Symposium. I've doubled the revenue because people have to eat food. You're watching the news. You're watching the fear mongering that's going on about Elon Musk, about Donald Trump, about the cost of eggs, things like that. You're not going to worry about that because everybody's got to eat. Guys, we got to stop it. If you really want to get to the bag. Now, if you don't, that's fine. Share this video with somebody who does, but you've got to take the action. You got somebody trying to help you. Another way I do arbitrage is online arbitrage. But either way, whether you're doing online arbitrage or retail arbitrage, I use the software every single week without fail. I use the software Tactical Arbitrage. Oh my God. We're building out, and you can sign up now. The course is a free full course already out there, and we're just building out the modules. I didn't want to wait. I wanted you to get going right now. Guys, I want to grab you and I want to shake you because I want you to take action. I think I want it more than you, and that's okay. Sometimes you need somebody to shake you and tell you, listen, you can change your life, and you don't have to buy into none of the BS that you're hearing, where you got people trying to shame you for having a regular job. I got a job that's paying me 6 figures plus these numbers that I'm showing you. And don't worry about how much money I make. I'm going to teach you how to drive, and you don't know how to drive. Once you learn how to drive, don't you realize you can go to destinations that I've never gone to? Don't worry about where I'm going in my car. If you don't know how to drive, let me teach you. This is what I do, guys. You got to check out the information. You've got to sign up for the webinar. You've got to sign up for the free course. You've got to call me if you need me. You've got to go over these videos that I'm showing you that are already out there that are going to show you step by step. It's going to change your life, guys. I'm so excited, but I want you to get excited. We've been doing this since 2017. I want you to think about that. We started before the pandemic. We went through the pandemic. I've been selling online over 6 administrations, over at least six presidential terms. I'm telling you, you don't need to buy into any of this. Guys, you got to watch my videos. I'm not just talking. You've got to see where I was laid off. You got to see where I was 21 years with a company, and that company went out of business. 30,000 plus people laid off. What did I do? I leaned on my business that I have online. I've had my business completely tank. You know what I did? I leaned on my regular job. You need multiple streams of income. You know that. Quit looking for easy. There's no such thing as easy. And the only people that's talking easy are the ones that are trying to sell you these multi-$1,000 courses and all this crap. There's nothing easy, and you know it. You don't get something for nothing. You know that. Whatever you get, you're going to work for. Some of y'all religious. You read it in the Bible. So you sow, so shall you reap. That's what it says, okay? Guys, we gotta leave a comment. Let's get going. We need you, okay? You're part of the Working Class Hustler community. I'll see you in the next video.